day, viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in our presentation for today, we are going through expansion of algebraic expressions. Okay, so we need to know how we can expand an expression. So if you want to expand an expression, you need to multiply either the number or the variable together with a number that is outside the bracket with each and every term inside the brackets. So let's look at these examples. Expand each expression. So number one, we have 2. In brackets, we have p plus 1. So to expand this, it means that this 2 has to multiply with the p. Again, the same number 2 has to multiply with the positive 1. Okay, that is what we call expansion. So let's look at how we can answer our question 1. So here we have solutions. So we're going to start with our question 1. So our question 1, we have 2. In brackets, we have p plus 1. So to expand this one, okay, we're just going to say 2 times p, again plus 2 times 1. Okay, so here 2 times p to give us 2p plus 2 times 1 to give us 2. So this is the answer. So what you have just done is 2 times p is 2p, 2 times positive 1 to give us positive 2. Okay, so I've just written this in order to show you how we are multiplying. Then let us look at our second question. So our second question, we have 3. Then we have in brackets x minus y. Okay, so from here we need to expand. So we are saying this 3 has to multiply each and every term inside the brackets. So 3 times x, this would be 3x. Then 3 times minus y, this would be minus 3y. So this is our answer. Okay, we have answered. So we now move on to our third question, which is right here. 5j in brackets, we have k minus 1. Okay, so we come to our third question. So under our third question, we have 5j in brackets, we have k minus 1. So how can we expand this one? So to expand this one, we are saying 5j times k, this will give us 5jk. Then 5j times minus 1, this will give us minus 5j. So this is our answer. Okay, so we are done answering our third question. We can now answer our question 4. So our question 4, we have z, then in brackets we have 3z, then plus a 4. So how can we expand this one? So what you are doing is just the same. So this z will multiply 3z. Again, the same z will multiply positive 4. So z times 3z. Okay, this will give us 3z squared. Z times positive 4. This will give us positive 4z. This is our answer. Now let me just explain something here. Here we have z times z. It has given us z squared. So what we are doing is we are multiplying z times z. So you can see we have the same base. The base here is z, the base here is z. So we can apply the laws of indices where we said if you are multiplying indices that have the same bases, what do you do to the powers? You add them. So this z, it means it has a power 1, even this one a power 1. So what you do is you get a common base, which is z, then just add the powers, which is 1 plus 1. Okay, and this will give you z power 2. So this is how z times 3z gave us 3z squared. So you do this to almost all the multiplications of variables that will be involving same variables. You can apply these principles. So we now come to our fifth question. So here is our fifth question, where we have m, then bracket 9 minus m. Okay, so here you say m times 9, this will give us 9m. M times minus m, this will give us minus m squared. So this is our answer. So even to this one, we have applied the same principle. M times m, you can see these are the same bases, so we can add the powers. Okay, that's why we're having m power 2. Then we come to our question 6. So under our question 6, we have 2r in brackets, we have 5r plus 3. So from here, we can open the brackets by multiplying 2r times 5. So 2 times 5, this will give us 10. Then r, because 2r times 5r. So r, this will be r power 2. So 2r times 5r, it will be 10r squared, plus 2r times 3, this will be 6r. So this is our answer. We have expanded. Okay, so we are just expanding. So let us now look at our 7th question. So under our 7th question, we are going to have a minus b in brackets raised to the power of 2. So the base that we have here, we have a minus b, the one that is in brackets. Now this base a minus b in brackets is raised to the power of 2. So here it means the same base a minus b has been multiplied by itself twice. The power here, the exponent, it shows how many times the base has been multiplied by itself. So we can write this as a minus b in brackets, again a minus b, because I've just said that this means the same base a minus b has been multiplied by itself 2 times. That's why I've written a minus b, again a minus b. Then from here, we can multiply where we say a times a. We are going to have a squared. A times a, we are going to have a squared. Then a times minus b, we are going to have minus ab. Okay, then we come to this one, minus b times a, we are going to have minus ab. Then the minus b times minus b. So minus times minus, this will give us a positive. Then b times b, this will give us b squared. So here we can observe that we can simplify something here, where we have a squared. So ab minus ab. These are like terms, you can simplify them. So the same signs we maintain, minus, then ab plus ab, we are going to have 2ab, meaning that minus ab, this will give us minus 2ab, then plus b squared. So this is our answer. So make sure that you are following. Okay, you are able to see how we are able to expand these questions. We come to our 80th question. So here we have minus 3a in brackets. We have 3 minus a. So this one is easy. So just expand nicely, negative 3a times a. So negative 3 times 3, this will give us negative 9a. So negative 3a times 3, this is negative 9a. Negative times negative, this will give us a positive. 3a times a, so we are going to have 3a power 2. Okay, a. So this is our answer. Now we come to our 9th question. So under our 9th question, we have PQ. Then in brackets, we have negative Q squared minus 3P squared. Okay, so here we need to expand, where we just say PQ times negative Q squared. So we are going to have P, we are going to have negative PQ power 3. So this was Q power 2 and this is just Q. Okay, that's why I have a Q power 3. Then PQ times minus 3P squared. We are going to have minus. So this P and this P squared, we are going to have P power 3. Okay, then this Q is just alone. There's no Q this side. So just write Q. So this is your answer. Okay, so we are done answering these questions. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.